The wife of Zimbabwe's Vice President, General Constantino Chiwenga, Colonel Miniota Bomini Baloyi, has been removed from a position in the Zimbabwe National Army's Military Intelligence Department and reassigned to the Commander's Pool, a unit where officers are placed without specific duties. Zanabina mashoko nyaswa kunzi aiwa General Constantino Chiwenga vakunyatsa kuwikenewa manje panguva ino kuchionekwa kunzi wife's influence yauya ichibvisiwa. Not subscribe or like or not turn on the bell icon. Tindra mberi mubdanyi pamuchinzi. Colonel Baloyi was moved from a military intelligence post last week. Sources close to her husband Camp say she has been victimized, while those aligned to President Emmerson Mnangagwa argue that the reassignment was necessary because she travels frequently with her husband. According to the sources close to the president, the move allows the flexibility to accompany the vice president without compromising operational responsibilities within the military intelligence department. A change of station comes after Zimbabwean political scientist, politician and ZANU-PF strategist Professor Jonathan Moyo complained publicly on Twitter about someone very senior within the intelligence establishment leaking sensitive information in the courts. It beggars believe that a respected VVIP at a respected state intelligence institution would be so reckless as to leak such sensitive information. Former ZANU-PF and independent MP Themba Mliso also raised concerns about Colonel Baloyi's presence within the army, arguing that because she is Zimbabwe's second lady, she should consider retiring from active military service. In a televised interview that circulated widely online, Mliso said, "The problem that we have, which I must say to the nation, is that we also have the wife of the vice president, who is part of the intelligence of the army." He went further and accused Colonel Baloyi of running what he described as a parallel structure within the military intelligence department. A close associate of the vice president said the movement to the commander's pool could turn out to be a blessing, as it will give her more flexibility and time to support political activities when the moment arrives. Traditionally, Zimbabwean presidents have placed out of favor senior police officers in the commissioner's pool and out of favor military officers in the commander's pool, where they are effectively sidelined and generally have no meaningful duties. Those zviripo muri yeZimbabwe. Nekumenza section imene uzofungura imo tunipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.